It's very simple to get Excel to calculate descriptive and summary statistics for your data. You'll notice I have various ages in a column. You'll have a lot more data. To see the descriptive and summary statistics, I first need to enable an add-in. So let's do that. I click File in Excel, Options, then Add-ins, then click Analysis Toolpack, and underneath the Manage field, make sure you see Excel Add-ins. Click Go. Click on Analysis Toolpack and click OK. To view the statistics, make sure you've clicked Data and you see the Data ribbon in Excel. And then we click Data Analysis up to the top right of the screen. We'll wait for that to load up. There are various statistics we can get, but click Descriptive Statistics and click OK. The first thing is, what is the input range? And that is, where is our data? So we'll just highlight our data there. Then, in this case, I have age as a label, so I'm going to click on labels in the first row. And if you don't have a label, then just don't click labels in first row. Output range, by default, it'll open a new worksheet. But in this case, I just want to show my statistics in the same sheet. So I'll just click anywhere in a field where I can view the statistics. And I want to see summary statistics. So I'll check summary statistics. Then click OK. Nice and quickly, Excel has calculated my various data for me, such as there's the mean, the median, the mode. There are 21 items of data. The sum, okay, in this case I don't need that. The maximum, minimum, range, and so on. That's how simple it is. Please like this video.